Alright, so I'm about to go outside real quick and do a cold start on my truck. It's 8 degrees. We just got some snow last night, so it's 8 degrees out, and with the wind chill, the real feel is -8. So it's a little chilly out, so let's go do this fucking cold start. As you can see, my truck's covered in snow. It's still snowing and it's a little windy out, so let's go. Ooh, there's that sexy bitch. All covered in snow. Totally shit the bed on that one. My dumbass went out there and started it and forgot to fucking hit record. So it's not as loud as it was the first time when I started it, but you get like a general idea of how loud it is in the cold with a